Guys, today I'm gonna be giving you guys tricks on how to do the walk the dog video trick. So first, I should know how to do the sleeper, but if I don't, check out our other videos. It's how to yo-yo and beginner and yeah. Well, anyway, if you don't want to, you just put your wrist and do that. Make it stiff. Very complicated. But we have more detailed videos on more detailed. Yeah. So, and then how to work the dog and tips. So right when you go down, you swing and there. So, and also you want a spinning yo-yo. You want to swing. Oh, yeah, you want to use it. So I'll show you me doing the trick, and then I'll give you tips on how to do it. Because if you look back on our other video, we show you pretty much how to do it, except this is just to give y'all tips. There we go. And when you go to spin, let it spin, because you're going to spin when you get pushed it out and like this. Yeah. And it's hard to hold it up. Don't do that. Don't do that. There we go. Alright. There we go. Make it a little bit so you can see better. Alright, so. Like that. Okay? So now, when you make it sleep, you want to swing it and then put it on the ground. And then pull up. Because when that, it makes it roll forward easier. And another tip is, to do, let's see. Alright, I got one. So when you put it on full, you want it to go about as far as the string can go. Then you want it to go about, you don't want it to go high. I don't want it about a foot off the ground. Because if you make it go high like that, you're never going to get a kick. So you just leave it low. And then don't let this spin out. So if you want it to hesitate or sleep easily, you need to go to dolphin yoga and then twist the string you need to take it apart, like, they'll probably show my brother doing it in the background. There you go. Take it apart. Right here. Right here. This thing, you put it on. It's already on. And then it's where it'll just come back up. It's hard to hesitate. Well, mine was. Right, so my dad had to fix it. Right, so then you twist it. Twist the string. Like, here. I don't really know how to get out of this stage. I'll give y'all an update on that in a little while after this video. Like my dad has it, and then a photo. Gonna sit down. So, see, there's this thing, it's called a, so there you go, court. You just twist it in there, and it will make it hesitate every time you make it go down. So to go like that, and then you just put it back on, and then screw it up. And it's kind of hard to make it roll up, so you have to go easy. And I don't know, some other yo-yos, they do it by itself. They do it by itself, but you have to make it. Now, and also, you don't have to stay on the ground right when you make it go down, because if you make it do that, it does not do that. Because and also, you want it to sleep for about 5, if you can count to 6 seconds, or 4, 5, or 6 seconds. That means you're making it hesitate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it doesn't stop, that means you're making it hesitate. And then we need, and then if you can do that, you make it go down, and then swing it, put it on the floor, back up. Because you don't want to swing it that high, or it'll make it come loose and it's harder to do. And then I'll show y'all one more time on how to, and I'll show y'all one more time of me doing it. So, whoa, that kind of just came right up. Yeah, and if you look at the other video, you always want the string making it go to the top. And then when you go down, okay. You also bring down too, like y'all. So y'all see me not doing the best on the walk the dog. You know, I'm this. But we're just trying to get y'all to do better than I am, me and my brother are. So I'll show you one more time. One more time. Yeah. So that'll be all for today. So Dunkin' Donuts this time. And then I have my brother's on this here. Red. It's probably like purple, other colors too, probably. I don't know. like I said earlier, if you want more details on different stuff, you can look at our other video. So that'll be all for today. Leave some likes, subs. So guys, Yo-Yo out. On Yo-Yo as good as y'all can. And comment down below any more Yo-Yo tricks that y'all learn. And we can make more videos. Well, bye guys.